Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to change clock to 12 hours on Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and the AI is set to 24 hours and now you want to change it to 12 hours, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change clock to 12 hours on your Samsung Galaxy phone, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. And then on the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to General Management and click on that. Now, once you selected General Management, locate date and time, click on that. Now here, you should say use 24 hours format. If use 24 hours format is enabled, then your Samsung phone time format will be set to 24 hours. Now to change from 24 hours to 12 hours, just make sure you disable this. And once that is disabled, you should see the time change from 13 to 1 p.m. So once disabled, this is going to change the time from 24 hours format to 12 hours format. So that is basically how to change time to 12 hours on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.